Immediately we see action on all sides of the field as they make their way down. We have a yellow toad to play with 3330, 1985. Has a recycling container that they placed on the bump. Now we have less than 2 seconds. Teleoperated portion begins now. That means the players are in control of the game. Drivers at each station are controlling their individual robots. Immediately 1985, the RoboHawks makes a move and swings that recycling container around. System of the Corn kind of does the same thing on the other end. And UFC bot is working on picking up the container to try to place it for themselves. We have a nice little stack going with 1658 over here. They've got 3 great toads in control, plus a recycling container and a piece of litter in it. That is the human player zone down here on the blue line side. Litter is being introduced by the other human players at this time. We have a team, the RoboHawks, putting 2 yellow toads to the center for some cooperation points. At the same time, it looks like System of the Corn has the same idea and says, thanks for your help, I'll help us out. Over here on the Red Alliance, 4331, the RoboSwag, are trying to make a decision about whether or not they're going for a toad or a recycling container. 1985, the RoboHawks are moving around some of these gray toads to see if they can't pick some up and score us a stack. We do have our first stack of 6 gray toads and 1 recycling container by 1658 Tech Heads. Meanwhile, the UFC bot is in the corner trying to get in place for the human player to deliver a toad. The problem with that, though, is there is a toad stuck in the corner already. 1658 has another recycling container, and they've added some litter to it. Now they just got to get these toads stacked up and ready to roll, and they should be able to move forward. They're lining up, scoring, and moving again. We have 40 seconds remaining in the match. 3330, System of the Corn, lost one of the yellow toads, but has the other. They have it up, and they're trying to get in position for the co-opetition. RoboSwag is having what sounds like some gearbox problems, and they're still trying to get in the corner here to pick up one of these lovely gray toads from the human player. That sound means there's less than 20 seconds in this match. System of the Corn is picking up another toad over here in the middle. Maybe they'll go for the yellow, maybe they'll go for gray. We have our second stack, count it, second stack of 6 gray toads and 1 recycling container with litter. On the blue line side, 2 seconds, 1 second. That's the end of the match, ladies and gentlemen. Here comes your score, Blue Alliance 86, Red Alliance 9.